Today we're going to have a look at percentage composition. So here we're going to look at one quantity as a percentage of another quantity or an overall quantity. So let's have a look at how we do this. So the very first thing that we need to look at is in this blue box. To express a quantity as a percentage of another, write the first quantity as a fraction of the second. We can then convert this fraction, which we have done previously, to a percentage by multiplying by 100 over 1%. But we need to make sure that we actually have both quantities in the same units. Okay, this is so vital. So always have a look and check this to start with. So in our very first example, I have 15 meters and I need to express that as a percentage of 20 meters as a percentage. So what I'm going to do here is the very first step is to write 15 meters over 20 meters. Now to actually change this to a percentage, we did this above, we need to multiply by 100 over 1%. Okay, now you can put this into your calculators. So you go 15, a fraction, over 20 times 100 over 1. And that should give you a nice solution of 75%. And a lot of you might have been able to pick that straight away. The second example here, express 200 grams of 3 kilograms as a percentage. Now, do we have the same units here? That's the very first thing that we should be checking. So I've got grams and I've got kilograms. Now we can go either way. We can change them either both to grams or we could go both to kilograms. And you should get the same answer regardless. Now, you might think that maybe changing the 3 kilograms to grams might be easier. So to go from kilograms to grams, okay, so there's 1,000 grams per kilogram. So I'm actually going to multiply 3 by 1,000. And that'll give me 3,000 grams. So now I can work out the actual percentage composition. So I'll have 200 grams over 3,000 grams. Okay, and I'm going to multiply this by 100 over 1%. Okay, you can do some simplifying first, or you could put it into your calculator. So let's simplify. Okay, I'm going to divide them both by 100. So it's actually going to end up being 1 on 15 times 100 over 1%. So I'll go 100 over 15%. And you simplify that down further, or you could use your calculator, and you'll get 6 2/3%. Okay, that's awesome. So that was 200 grams of 3 kilograms. Now let's have a look at this example up here. So to make banana pancakes, you need 90 grams of eggs, or roughly 2 eggs, 120 grams of bananas, or 1 medium banana, and 20 grams of self-raising flour, or around 2 tablespoons. Then you mix it all up, and then you can cook it on a frying pan, and then you've got fantastic banana pancakes. So the actual question is asking what percentage of the banana pancakes is bananas. So this is looking at, when I'm talking about the banana pancakes, I'm looking at the overall quantity, or the quantity here is all in grams, so that must be weight. Okay, so let's calculate that. So I have the 90 grams of eggs, so it'd be 90 plus, and then I have 120 grams of bananas, so 120, plus 20 grams of self-raising flour. Okay, so this will give a total quantity okay, of 90 plus 120, 210 plus 20, 230 grams. Okay, now I'm looking at just the bananas of that, so let's put this into our fraction. So bananas is 120 grams. The overall quantity is 230 grams. Okay, and I'm going to multiply this by 100 over 1%. Now I can put that into my calculators, or I could simplify using my knowledge of fractions. So I'll go 120 over 230 multiplied by 100 over 1, and you should get, as a decimal, 52.17391,304%. Now let's round that to 2 decimal places. So let's go 52.1, and here I'm looking at this number here, the 3rd decimal place. I ask myself, is that below 5? And yes, it is. So I'm actually going to round this down to just 52.17% to 2 decimal places. And that is how you can calculate any percentage composition, and good luck with all your questions.